What's up? Let's get into the quickest way to sell a digital product online. It's going to blow your mind how fast this is. And remember, you can resell this product over and over again. This is literally the easiest online business that you can do, period. So let's get into it. This is a travel planner, and you know your girl likes to travel. If you get a template like mine, you're going to get 6 cute covers that already come with this template. So the quickest way is just to use one of the pre-made covers. I really like cover 5. I would delete all the other covers and go for cover 5. And that's that sorted. However, if you did want to create your own cover, you just need to find another image. I'm really feeling Iceland at the moment. So you can grab a photo from one of these free photo sites. But actually, Canva has some good options. This one here is super nice, but this is a pro image, okay? So I don't recommend reselling pro images. Let's go for this one. It's a free image. It looks really, really good. So you would just go through your planner. You can change the destination and you can put in different images as you go through your planner, and you'll see how easy this is. We're literally just going to drag and drop images in, and it is that simple. You can also do other cool things, like you could change the background of your planner. Let's say you wanted it all in a beige or you wanted it all in a nude. You can change everything, and you can change all, and that will change every single page in your planner. Like, super easy. I'm not going to do that because that doesn't look nice. Another thing you can do is change the font. So you might want to do a completely different font. Like this one is completely different, really nice. Again, you can change all right here. And this is going to change every single font in your design. Like super easy. You could go for something like this. This doesn't look good in caps lock, but look, just take it off of caps lock. It looks so much better. So font is another great way to change your planner. Another way to make a planner your own is to change some of the more subtle colors. So you see these bars, they're all in the same color, and I do this on purpose so you can easily change them. If you're going to do this, I recommend going into something like Pinterest and finding a really nice color palette. So I've already typed in ice blue color palette into Pinterest because it's Iceland. And then I would just copy one that I really like. Like, that's cute. I would copy it. I would then paste it into Canva. So you've now got this image in Canva, and then you can easily change something like this. You could change it to one of these blues on the color palette. So click it, press this plus color, and then press the, I think this is called an eyesdropper or an eavesdropper tool, one of those. So you just like literally choose the color you want from your color palette. I find it's such a nice way to find really cute colors. Once you know that you like one, just click this button. Boom. Everything is changed, and you'll see on every page, it's now light blue. The only reasons why it wouldn't be is if something like this is grouped, just to keep them all in the same place. You would simply ungroup them and do the same thing. You would click on it, and actually Canva's quite cute. It will remember the color. You'll press this and you'll click change all. And it is as simple as that. It is that easy to change a planner. So once you've played around with the fonts, the colors, the images, everything that you want to do, you now have your very own planner to resell as your own. And you could probably do this in literally an hour or so. Depends how much you want to play in Canva. You've got your own planner now. It's yours. You've edited it. Now, if you are a business, I would always say put your logo on it. If you've created your logo in Canva, Canva will have it in there for you, or just copy and paste your logo in. So now comes on to the selling part. So there's 2 ways to sell a digital product. If you want to sell a product that other people can edit in Canva, this is a nice example of that, because you want people to come in and personalize it for their own trips. First thing you're going to do is you're going to click share, and you're then going to share the template link. A good thing to note about this is live. So if you make any changes to this template, it's going to reflect in your link. So sometimes there might be a little mistake, or you might want to quickly change a color or two. You can do that without having to reshare your link. It's honestly amazing. Now you have a link to your product and works. Now, a lot of people, what they will do is they will try to download this and upload it to Etsy, and don't do that. Copy your link, and then you need to get a product download PDF. Now, I also sell these. They're less than $10 on my site. The link will be down below. And I give you 5 different options. So let's go for this one. I've only got one product, so I would delete this. Product name, you update to what your product name is going to be called. It's probably going to be called a travel planner. The most important thing to do is to link this to your template. So go back to your template, press copy on this link, and then you're going to paste this as a link here. First, you're going to click the box, and there's a couple of ways you can do this. I'm going to show you all of them. You're going to click position, you're going to click layers, and you're going to find the box that you're linking. You're going to press these 3 dots, and then you're going to press link, okay? And then you're going to paste the link in there. And that is now linked to your product. Another way to do it, I'm going to show you this on the writing. It's really important that you link the box and the writing. You can then click on the writing, do a right click, link, paste in your link. Now you've got your product linked, and I don't like it underlined. I'm just going to underline it. So let's scrolling a little bit. So now your product is linked and everybody can find your product as soon as they download this. And I'm going to show you what to do with this afterwards. Another thing that you should do is link your websites if you have your own website. So for me, I'm going to go www.bewelldesignshop.com. And I'm going to say a little bit about my website. So shop my website for more PLR. Save 30% with code YouTube family. That's a real code, by the way. You can use it. Obviously I would spell it right, and it doesn't really need to be in capitals, but whatever. You get where I'm going. You could go shop now. You could change this to shop now. Or you might want to use this space for your lead magnet. So if you had a lead magnet, you could say download my free guide, whatever it is, and then link to your free guide here. Okay, if you have your own lead magnet, make sure you do that because that will help to grow your email list. Okay, you need to update all of this with your own contact information. You can link all of your social buttons. Here's some information about how to use the product. So please click on the link above to access my travel planner, download in Canva, and edit before you export. Something like that. I could just delete this if you didn't want a picture, actually, because sometimes it's a little bit long. And then you could just extend this and have this there and, put this as like, bigger and, put it in the center. So you could do that. No picture needed. Or if you did want to use a picture, you can go back to your product. You can just download the first page, so your cover or whatever page of your product you want to show. You can download that page, do it as a JPEG, and then download just the current page. Now you come back into here. I just press Ctrl Z to get the image thing back. So you can see that's done. I'm going to go into my downloads. I'm going to pull it into Canva, and then I'm going to pull it in here, and then I'm going to double click it and pull it down. And then it's like, this is your product. Once you're happy with your download, I would recommend naming it. So name it Travel Planner. So page 8, remember the page that you're on, so it doesn't need to download all of them. So I would download this PDF standard, page 8, download. And then you have a PDF. Now you might be thinking, Rochelle, I don't want my customers to be able to access or edit my Canva template. I got you. In that case, what you would do is you would take your product and you would download it as a PDF, right? So you download it as a PDF standard, click download. You just need to drag and drop onto your Google Drive. Here it is. You're going to click the 3 dots. You're going to click share, copy link. Make sure you update the access. You need it so that anybody can view the link, and it is default to restricted. So you just need to change it to anybody can view the link. Then you're going to copy that link, pop it straight into your download PDF. You're going to paste in the link here to your Google Drive, and then again here, paste in the link to your Google Drive. And that is how you sell a product which is non-editable. So when people click on that, they'll be taken to your Google Drive. And there's a couple of things that they can do. We can either print it, so that's really good for printable products, or if they want to upload that planner into their iPad and be able to write on it with the stylus. I'll do another video on that, and it's super easy. But if you want them to edit it that way, then you need to sell it as a Google PDF link. Now let's move on to exactly how you sell this product online. I'm going to use Etsy as an example. You first navigate to the new listings page. Once you click new listing, you would click digital file. You would then need to say who made it. It's a finished product. When did you make it? Who created it? Yourself or AI generator? And you would then click continue, and then you would put in some information. You'd put in a title, put in some images about your product, and then this is where you add your file. I would then download the file that I created, which is this travel planner PDF, and then you need to write your description and just go through it, set your price, whatever. So that is how you sell a digital product on Etsy. Super easy. You have used a template to help you, but you've made it your own, so it's different from every other template out there. Like I say, you can grab this exact template down in my description box on my website. You can use the code YouTube30 to get 30% off. You can also grab the download templates as well. I wish you the best of luck on your digital product journey. And remember, PLR is a great way to create products. It's a great way to scale your business quickly. PLR really is the GOAT to help you create digital products quickly, scale your business. But remember, the secret hack when it comes to PLR is really making sure those products are unique. So you need to change those images, change those fonts, change those colors, and really make it your own. If you want more content like this showing you exactly how to sell digital products quickly, easily, without all the hard work, without all the stress, without all the hustle, then you're going to want to subscribe to my channel. There'll be videos dropping here every single week. Until next time, bye.